Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to talk about the Diamond Collection from Proven Winners, which are the 2020 annuals of the year. It's a collection of 3 different euphorbias. This one's called Diamond Frost, which is such a versatile classic plant. Then there's Diamond Mountain, which grows larger and is excellent for the landscape. And then Diamond Snow, which is the most compact variety and has beautiful double white blooms. They're heat tolerant, drought tolerant, and they bloom continuously throughout the season without needing to be deadheaded. You should definitely give one or all 3 of them a try in your garden this year. So Diamond Frost is probably the most widely used variety because you can use it in so many different applications. It plays so nicely with others that you can put it in container arrangements with other plants and it just intermingles beautifully. Diamond Mountain is a really vigorous grower that's a great standalone in a landscape or planted in mass, and it can stand up to varieties like Supertunia Vista Bubblegum or a sweet potato vine. Those usually like to take over an area, but Diamond Mountain will fight through and with those plants and it will still shine. And the last variety is called Diamond Snow, which is the most compact growing of all 3. So it makes it great for container situations or as an accent plant. This one has double white blooms, which also makes it different than the other 2. And the bloom to leaf ratio is incredible. Most of the time it looks like a sphere of white. I planted some alongside some wicked hot coleus and the contrast of the 2 was just beautiful. So all of these are heat tolerant, drought tolerant, and they'll bloom continuously from the moment you plant them until the end of the season without needing to be deadheaded. I would recommend that you plant 1 or all 3 of these in your garden this year. You can find this plant at Reston Farm Garden Market.